My name's Joe. I am the managing member of a tax office. I use TaxDome, and if I could give it a 6 out of 5, I would, but they say 5 is the highest. We tried to use Atom software, and we had very difficult time with their training. I thought at first it was me, and then I brought in my associates who were younger people, and they couldn't understand their training either. So then we switched over to Canopy Tax. That was a nightmare. Canopy couldn't even get it to hook up to our email, get our emails to sync. They blamed it on our IT guy. Our IT guy blamed it on them. Come to find out, Canopy had a third-party vendor that they were using, and they never did get it to work. They took almost 15 hours of my time trying to get email to work. We looked at, I think it's Dynasty from Microsoft. Our IT guy suggested it. The cost of it was prohibitive. And we also looked at a company called Tax Work Office, which the gentleman there was very nice, but they had a lot of add-ins. And one thing I was looking for was continuity. I was afraid, and he told me right up, they were going to use some company for add-ins, and if it didn't work, it wasn't his fault. And then we found TaxDome, and we love it. There were 4 main things we were looking at in our software search. One of them was ease of use. TaxDome is probably the easiest software I've seen. Another one was no add-ins, as I mentioned before. I wanted someone that took responsibility if the software wasn't working, that they could work with me, not refer me to another company. Third thing we looked was for available support. TaxDome is awesome in that area. They have people that will chat with you. They have people that you can call. They have people that log in your computer and show you how to do things. It's the best support I've seen. And then a fourth thing, of course, was cost. And I won't say that wasn't important, but that wasn't one of the deciding factors. But for the price, I think TaxDome is the best software that we've looked at, and it is the one that we decided to use, and we're happy with our decision. The onboarding issue, where we had trouble with the other ones in the past, TaxDome was so easy. It was very fluid. They basically said, click here, click there. They showed me how to do the Excel spreadsheet. They uploaded it. It worked fine. I set up my own pipelines. I set up my own tasks. I set up my own reminders. And, I'm an old guy, so I'm not a techie. And whenever I have a problem, I either get on chat or I pick up the phone and they log me right in and fix whatever I need done. They're very good at explaining it, and they're very, very patient. And with somebody my age, you need to be patient. My employees, or my associates, I guess I should call them, they think it's the best software that they've ever seen. But again, we had some very difficulty with some of the earlier software programs I mentioned. It's very easy to use. Their support is, give them a 20 out of 10. The advice I'd say is to look at, first decide what you want out of a software. As I said, we had 4 criteria. Easy use, we didn't want any add-ins. We wanted available support, how we could get somebody if we needed them quickly, and the cost. And I think if you take those 4 elements and add whatever you need to, but compare all the other programs, TaxDome is going to win all the time.